What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix starters not playing in Madden NFL 26. If your starters aren't playing, here's what you can do to fix it. Start by going to options, then open franchise settings and head into league settings. Look for an option called progressive fatigue. Make sure this setting is turned off cause when it's enabled, your starters can get benched even when they are healthy. Next, go back to the home tab, open manage team and select auto subs. Here, you can adjust the substitute in and substitute out sliders. Changing these makes sure your starters stay on the field longer during games. Finally, you can also tweak the global fatigue settings. Leave franchise mode and return to the main menu. Then, open settings and go into game options. Scroll down until you find player sliders and set the fatigue slider to 0 if you want fatigue completely disabled. And that's all you need to do. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.